All right, so number one, it says, let the universal set be the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And then A is those letters, and B is those letters, and C is those letters. And we are looking for the intersection, whoops, between A, which is this one, and C, which is this one. And intersection means what do they have in common? And so when I'm looking at it, let's see, they both have a B, they both have an H, and they both have a K. A has an A, an E, and a G, but C does not have that. C has a C and a D. So when you go, you're going to click on A, and then in this box you will type in, use a comma to separate answers as needed. So a B, comma, an H, comma, and a K. So that's number one. Number two, this time they are asking us to find the union between set A, whoops, thought I switched colors. Come on, pink, there we go. Set A, which is the numbers 1, 2, and 4, and set B, which is 4, 5, 6, and 9. Now when you do a union, you're just putting everybody in one group and everybody in the other group together in one big happy group. And when I'm looking at this, they have one number that is the same, the 4. Just don't list it twice. So in this box, I'm going to type the 1, comma, the 2, comma, the 4, comma, and I've already got the 4, so don't type it a second time, and then 5 and 6 and 9. And that is the union. All right, and then number 7, okay, this is a little tougher. It says use the sets to find set D unioned with set E, and that is in parentheses, so you're going to do that first. And then you'll intersect it with F. So we are doing a union between set D, which is 10, 13, and 15, and set E, which is 10, 12, 13, and 14. So I'm going to start with that. So D unioned with E, this part right here, D unioned with E, that is gonna be, they both have a 10, so just write that once, and then this one is a 12, and then they both have a 13, but just write that once, and then we've got a 14 here, and 15 there. And then they want us to intersect that with F, and F is all these numbers. I'll do that in green. Let's see, here's a green. So F is 9, 11, 12, 13, and 15. And so remember, intersection means what do they have in common. So we're doing, let's pick, how about purple? We're doing an intersection. What do they have in common? Let's see. They both have a 12. They both have a 13. And they both have a 15. So my final answer, let's see if I can find a purpley color. That's purplish. My final answer in this box is going to be 12, 13, and 15. And those are the first 3 My Math Lab questions.